This company.
Hey, hi everyone. So this video will be the last of the video series about predicate logic. So we will be talking about nested quantifiers. Okay. So um, for this section, we will talk about the nested quantifiers, order of quantifiers, translating from nested quantifiers into English. Then translating mathematical statements into statements involving nested quantifiers. Then translated sentences into logical expressions. And lastly, we will negate nested quantifiers. Okay, so we will start with nested quantifiers. So our nested quantifiers are often necessary to express meaning of sentences in English, as well as important concepts in computer science and mathematics. So for example, every real number, okay, every real number has an inverse, is denoted as this. For all x, there exists y such that x plus y equals 0. Okay? Where the domains of x and y are the real numbers. So we can also think of nested propositional functions. Na for all x, there exists y such that x plus y equals 0 can be viewed as for all x, q of x. So natay q of x. Nga atong q of x kay there exists y such that p of xy. Then atong p of xy is x plus y equals 0. So kani siya ang tulo, kana siya, that is just equivalent to this. So giminugbo ra siya. Daghan man siya connect-connect no. So maora ni siyang storya nga for all x na ay nag-exist nga y nga x plus y equals 0. So unsa kaha? Sa tanan ko nung x nga real number, so for all real number, naa jud na siya isa ka y or at least one y nga maka-true ani nga statement. Example, 1. Unsa kay i-plus sa 1 nga mahimo siyang 0. So there exists a y. So that y is negative 1. Mahimo siyang 0. Another, ngita na po ka. So murag i-loop nimo siya for all real number. So sunod na po 2. So sa may pares sa 2, unsa may value sa y para mahimo siyang 0. Negative 2 plus 0. Ingon na po kag negative 3. Real number man negative 3. Sa mo i-plus positive 3 para ma-0. So this is the x. This is the y. So sa tanang mga x's, naadjud siya pares nga y. Nga ang x plus y mahimong 0. So that is the meaning of this statement. Okay? So, ang nested loop, so ang nested quantifier, mura siya nag-nested nga loop na nakay for loop diha. Niya na po kay. So, sa imong for loop na po kay for loop. Ngayon, kag for all x, morning for all x dire. Unya for all y na po ka, dire na po ka. Pero na po kay moingog there exist. Na po uban, dire ang there exist. Sa x niya, dire ang for all y. Yan. So, mura na siya og nested nga loop. Okay. So, at each step, so mayroon ka for all x, yeah, for all y, meaning at each step, loop through the values of x kadaan. Then, at each step, look for the values of y na pod. Okay, so if for some pair of x and y is false, then for all x, then for all y, p of xy is false. So, both the outer and inner terminate na if na makit-an nga makaka-false. So, for all x man siya. Okay? So, to see if for all x there exists y is true, look through the values of x una ng x. So, at each step, loop through the values for y na pod. Then, the inner loop ends when pair x and y is found. So, nanay makit-an nga pair sa x nga y, makapa-true. So, there exists y raman ang gipangita. So, pwede na mo end. That means, true ang kaninga statement. Then, if ang tod nga mahuman ang loop nga tanang y na check na, wa gyapon nakapa-true, di, ma-false na siya. So, that is for all x, there exists y. So if the domains of the variables are infinite, then this process cannot actually be carried out. Okay, so if infinite siya, dili kayo niyo makuha. If dili niyo makuha ang truth value sa proposition. Okay? So we have examples here. Let P of x, y be the statement x plus y equals y plus x. So, assume that u is the real numbers. Okay, so u kay real numbers or ang domain na to. So, ang meaning, ang x, pulihan nimo sa mga real numbers. Ang y, pulihan nimo sa mga real numbers. So, then, for all x, for all y, such p of x, y, and for all y, for all x, p of xy has the same truth value. So, nga naman, pwede ra na sila ma-baylo-baylo. Kaning for all x, for all y, kay pareha man sila nga for all. Unlike this one, kanisiya, pwede magbaylo kay for all, unya ka there exist. Okay? So, pareha ani. Kanisiya, di pareha ani. Kay dili sila pareha man nga for all. Ag isa kay there exist. So, kintahay, let x q of xy be the statement x plus y equals 0. So, real numbers kintahay atong domain. Then, for all x, there exists y such that q of x, y. So, for all x, matotong gipakita ganina no nga sa tanang x, 1, 2, or 0, 3, 1, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Infinite man, no? There exists y. So, there exists y man. So, isag asa ka mangita ana nga mga x. Nadyo kay makitaan nga isa ka y. Nga, matru ning x plus y equals 0. So, 2. So, ang 2 plus nimo -2. So, mao ni atong y, di ma-0 na na siya. So, naadjud kanunay ay y nga mapares nimo sa tanang real numbers. But, for this time, o balihon nimo, there exists an y for all x such that x plus y equals 0. So, dili na siya pareha. Okay? So, naa kunoy y nga sa tanang x. Okay? So, there exists a y para sa tanang x. Na ba kahay y para sa tanang x? So, moingon kintahay kang tanang x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa tanan niya, tanan nga mapuli ni mo diri. Di na kuno kay y, isa ka y ha, nga matro ni siya 3 kintahay, nga matro ni siya for all x. Isa raman ka, x imo maparis jud negative 3. So, dili ni siya tinuod. Okay, kay wala may isa ra ka y nga matro para sa tanang x. Okay? So, another. What is the truth value of the following? So, for all x, for all y, p of xy is true. So, x times y equals 0. For all x, ang x na to kay real numbers. So, 1, 3, dili man 0. So, tanan man ko ng x sa real number, tanan pong y. Maoy pwede mapuli dire. So, this is false. Okay, asara to. False na siya. So, for all x, there exists a y. Sa tanang x ko no, nay nag-exist nga y. So, nay isa at least one y na pwede nimo mapares. Sakto ba? So, for all x, nisagun sa pa na ipares nimo ni y, 0 jud siya. Unsa kaha? So, this is true. Kay for all x, this is nag 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 1, negative 2, infinity. Lisan pag unsay ipares nimo kung 0 ning y, the answer is x times 0 is 0. So that is true. Okay? So, this number 3 na punta. There exists an x for all y. There exists an x for all y such that x times y equals 0. Naaba kahay x na for all y. Is there any? The answer is true. O, pwede man ka mo 0 na po ni x. There is an x nga sa tanang y. So, 1, 2, 3, until infinity. Anya, before infinity po. So, this is still true. There exists an x in at least one y such that x times y is 0. So, ano yung meaning dire? There exists an x in at least one y such that x plus y is 0. This is true. Okay, so pwede ka 1 times 0. So, naisa ka x, naisa ka y. There exists raman. So, at least isa ra kinahanglan para ma-true na siya. Okay, this one. For all x and all y, x divide y is 1. Daghan bang x? So, kintahay 1, o niya, divide 3. Di man siya. O, for all x, o niya, for all y. Kung 3, imong kuhaan, di man siya equal to 1. So, this is false. So, dili. dili sa tanang higayon nga tanang numbers i-divide nimo bisag unsa pud nga number ma-equal to 1. So for kanina pod for all x, so tanang x ko no, na i-divide nimo og isa ka y, then that this equation is equal to 1. Naabay sa tanang x, nabay maparis nimo nga y nga mo equal to 1. Naaba ka ha? Nabay isa ka 1 para sa tanang x? I think there is none. Walay isa ka y ra na para sa tanang x. This time, there exists an x for all y nga ma-equal ning x divide y equals 1. Na ako no'y x para sa tanang y. Para ma-1 siya. I don't think so. So, wala. But there exists an x para sa isa ka y nga ang x divide y equals 1. So, pwede kag na isa ka x niri nga 3 kintahay. Unya, naa siya'y maparis nga isa ka x, isa ka y pud nga 3 equal to 1. So, having this, it's true. There exists an x na pod nga 4 kintahay nga ma-divide mo of a certain y. Pwede po 4. It's equal to 1. So, true yun ni siya. Okay? So, please take note of this table na for all x, for all y, dapat ma-true siya kung every pair is true. Given your domain. Pindi yung sa domain. Ma-false siya kung naay pair sa x of y nga false. Okay? So, kanina pod, for all x, there exists y. So, for every x, dapat there is one y. At least one y nga matrue ni siya para matrue ang imong statement na kani. Okay? Then, ma-false siya kung naay x such that p of xy is false for every y. False na siya. Then, there exists an x for all y. Mao ni siya'y pasabot. There is an x for every, for which p of xy is true for every y. Okay, so ma-false siya kung for every x, there is a y for which p of xy is false. Okay, then there exists an x for a y, for a certain y, nga matrue ni siyang p of xy. So, mo ni siya meaning ani. There is a pair of xy for which p of xy is true. So, dapat isa lang ka, o at least one, makita kang pair nga true ning p of xy, meaning kani siya true. False siya kung sa tanang pair sa x o y, wala jud siya. False jud ni siya nga statement kaning p of xy. Okay? So now, how do we translate this English nested quantifiers into English? Okay, so we have for all x. Unya, napadjud siya c of x, or there is a y that is c of y and f of xy. Taghana, no? So, c of x is a computer ko, no? Then, f of xy is x and y are friends. f of xy kani siya friends. And the domain for both x and y consists of all students in your school. So, for all x na all of x kuno all students for all x man. So, all students has a computer. O, diba? Kani, C of x kay has a computer man. All students has a computer or saman. O, money or. There exists a y. Say a y. There exists a student. No. Nga, there exists a y nga na ay computer and f of x, y are friends. So, ang mana pagstorya, all students has a computer or has a friend which has a computer. Na every student in your school has a computer or has a friend who has a computer. Kay friends na, friends. Na. So, all students has a computer or naay friend nga naay computer. Okay, so mo na siya translation. Na. Now, for this one, there exists an x. Daghan na nino. There exists an x. Na for all y, for all z. Unsa naman ning z? I don't think there's a z here. Si z kay friend ni x diri. Si x pod og si y friends. Okay. Sao man ni? There exists a student. Ano no? There exists a student. Oh, kaning f of x, y, friend si x and y. Unya, friend pod si x and z. So, si x and z, friend siya. Pero, dili friends, si y ug z kay dili pareha. So, i-and ba ni silang tulo? Friend si x ug y. Friend si x ug z. Pero si y ug z kay dili pareha. So, there is a student who has a friend. No. Kay si y, student. Si z, student. Nga, friend ni x. Okay. Then, if friend sila ni x, then, unsa man ning not f of y, z? Not, they are not friends. So, they are not friends. Si y ug z are not friends. Okay. So, there is a student who is a friend of everyone sa ba. So, I'll check. There is a student, none of whose friends are also friends with each other. Okay, so, naay isa ka student nga walay kana bitawng naay walay friend niya nga friend of each other. Okay? So, y is na dili kaning x si x mo ni ang isa ka student nga friend sa ni y, friend ni z, pero dili sila friends si y ug z. Okay? Now, whose friends are also friends. None of whose friends are friends of each other. So, dili friends ang iyahang mga friends. Siya ray common friend nila. Okay. So, si X, friend siya ni Y. Friends siya ni Z. Pero si Y ug Z, dili sila friends. Kanira si X mo ay friends nila. Okay? Common lang nila. So, mana siya meaning ani nga statement. Okay? Another. So, we translate the sum of two positive integers is always positive into a logical expression. Okay, so how do we write that? We rewrite the statement to make the implied quantifiers and domains explicit. So, kaning sum of two positive integers, so for every two integers na siya. Yeah. Is sum of two integers is always positive man. So, if these integers are both positive, so man siya yung translation, no? Then, the sum of these integers is positive. So, we will introduce the variables x and y and specify the domain to obtain for all positive integers x and y, x plus y is positive. So, sa na for all x. Sa na if x is greater than 0, no? And dapat y pod kay for all positive integers man nga x and y. So, si y po dapat greater than 0. So, if x is greater than 0 and y greater than 0, then x plus y is greater than 0. For all x, for all y. Okay, ato nang usang ko anon kwaon itong sinuwat. So, muna na for all x, for all y. If x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then x plus y is greater than 0. So, atong domain is all integers. Okay. So, use quantifiers to express the statement. There is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. So, sama na siya. P of WF, BW has taken F. So, si woman has taken a flight. Then, Q of FA, meaning F is on a flight A. Okay? So, si F is katong flight. Flight is a flight on A. Okay? So, airline ni siya. Kaning flight, para ani nga airline. Then, the domain of W is all women. All women. The domain of F, so may domain sa F kay flights. And domain of A is airlines. Okay? Then, the statement can be expressed as, there is a woman, diba? There is a woman, money shy, there is a woman who has, sa maning A, for all airlines, nga, there exists a light. Diba? Kaning, there exists on your F, F is flight na. F is all flights man. So, there exists F, there is a flight. Okay? So, such that P of WF So, ang P of WF is a woman has taken a flight. So, there exists a woman who has taken a flight nga for every airline. So, kani for every airline. Okay na, for every airline. Unya, naka-fly na to siya. Okay? Taken a flight on an airline. So, there is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. Okay? So, kani, woman taken a flight. Then, for every airline in the world. So isa ka flight ra pod para sa tanang airlines. At least one flight. Okay. Choose the obvious predicates and express in logics. The predicate logic. So, brothers are siblings. Brothers are siblings. Sama na. So, for all x, for all y, if b of x, if they are brothers, then they are siblings. Siblinghood is symmetric. So, for all x, for all y, siblinghood is symmetric. Meaning, kanang pwede yung baylo-baylo. So, x is a sibling of y, and y is a sibling of x. Everybody loves somebody. Char. So, L of x kintahay si love. So, everybody, so, for all x, tanang tao, na kay bisag isa ka tao, no? L, love, x loves y, day. X loves y. There exists a y such that L, x, y. Sige, we'll check. So, for all x, all people, everybody, mo ni siya. There is somebody that you love. So, ang L, x of y is L, meaning love. X loves somebody. X loves y. So, there is a y. Ay na pod. So, dire na pod, loved by everyone. There is someone is loved by everyone. So, atong L, x of y, L of xy, only x loves y. So, there is someone. There is someone who is loved by everyone. X love Y. There exists X that is love Y. Sakto ba? L of X, Y. Sige, there is an X. Dili. Who is loved by everyone. For all X ni siya. Then, there exists Y. Loved by everyone. Sakto. X is loved by everyone. Daw. Bali lagi di ay. So, ang ato ang kuan, ani, kay X loves Y manggod. So, since X loves Y, nauna si there exists Y. Kanya, kaning everyone, si kaning everyone, mo na ning si kaning for all X. Kay si everyone, tanan mang X, ni love, aning there exists Y. Okay, kay si X loves Y. So, tanang X na ay Y nga gilove sa tanang X. Someone is loved by everyone. Okay, nabaylo ra to gamay. Then, there is someone who loves someone. Sayo na kaini. There is someone, there is X who loves Y. X, Y. Okay? Ana siya. Then, everyone loves himself. Saong gani. Everyone loves himself. For all X, L of XX, sakto ba ka ni? Okay. Okay, love man niyang self. So, XX ra gihapon na. X loves X. For all X. Okay. So, now we will have to negate our quantifiers, nested quantifiers. Okay, so we will use the Morgan's na pod. Okay? So, when we use the Morgans, ato rang kanana ay pareha ra gihapon to sa ganina nga wala nag-nested. So, example na atay kaninga statement. So, there exists a woman who has taken a flight in every airline. Sakto, no? Nya ang binalian na, ang negation ana, there does not exist a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. So, not, ginat niya, gikan dirito ana. So, ang negation ana, imo nang i-distribute. So, ang not, there is no woman, gibutang dire. So, ang there exists na for all na. There is sa number 2. Anya, maura gihapon dire no. Then, ang kanina pod siya, i-distribute na pod sa sunod, not na pod na. Okay? Unya, nabali na pong A into there exists. Okay? Unya, kanina pod, applyan na po the Morgans na gahimo na po siyang for all. Kana siya. Then, na po diri ag negation. Then, gidistribute na po ang negation, himo ng not P, WF, unya ang and na himo or, unya not Q, F. Okay? So, unsaon nakaha ni siya inig English A for all F. No? For all W. All woman has not taken a flight on an airline or man has not taken a flight on an airline. Okay, there exists an airline man for all women. There exists an airline for all flights that she has not taken or there exists a flight. So kani kay there exists a flight man. There exists an airline who has not taken every flight. Sige. For every woman, naadjud siya airline nga wala niya na take ang tanang flights ana. No. This woman has not taken that flight or that flight is not on this airline. Okay? So, can you switch the order of quantifiers? So, kani siya. Switch ba na siya? I think yes, because they are the same quantifiers. Okay, does not matter na diha. Is this a valid equivalence? Kini siyang for all x, there exists x. Then for all y, there exists y for all x. No. Di pareha ganina no, katong everybody is loved by someone, lahi siya. O someone is loved by everyone. Na siya. So can you distribute the quantifiers over logical connectives? For all x, p of x, and for all x, q of x. Yes. Okay. So is this a valid equivalence, kanisiya? For all x, p of x, then for all x, q of x. Yes. No. The left and the right side may have different truth values. Okay, so kana siya, kani imong distribute mahimong ani, so they are not the same. Okay, kani lang sigurong and, but the implication, it cannot be distributed. Ani. Okay, so example, x is a fish for p of x, and x has scales for q of x. So for all this score, so kung maingon ka og for all x, for all animals, if that is a fish, then it has scales. No. Unya diri kay if all animals are fish, then they all have scales. So lahi si no. So then the left side is false because there are some fish that do not have scales. But the right side is true since not all animals are fish. Okay? So, kani siya, lahi ni siya, ani. Okay, so that ends my presentation for predicate logic, and I hope that you have learned something from the video series. And thank you everyone for listening.